Me need 3 fag, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speed on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
Oh yeah, good amount, man. Ratty the do him. I entertain to your nonsense. Oh no, hey. Where are you going?
Named after his wife and baby. With one German killed already to his credit, Rigby was about to be
Probably.
Wait to know him. Is Boo? Rachel, why you're okay, y'all, so this is Frank Milton Browning, okay? And most of these people that y'all gonna see, they're actually from Utah. So,
Good point.
yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
Check that out. Look how sexy that young man is. No, sir. Bruh, ain't that crazy? Oh,
Right?
yeah.
So I guess
Okay.
Two people, famous people.
Okay.
Charles Lindbergh was one.
Mhm.
That was his first airplane.
Okay.
$500.
Oh, wow.
And there was also a person called Betsy Coleman.
Okay.
Okay.
hey guys, come on.
She wanted to go take lessons, and they wouldn't let her take lessons. Yes.
Because she was a lady.
Well, that was one reason. There were 3 reasons. She was also black. She
Oh.
was Native American.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So someone said, you know what? Go to France. That's where they'll teach you how to fly over there. So she
Okay.
went over to France.
Okay.
Okay. Did a lot of flying, got all kinds of knowledge, came back to the States, and opened up a school for pilots. No discrimination at all.
Wow, that's awesome.
Betsy Coleman, Google it.
Okay.
Betsy Coleman.
Pretty amazing gal.
Okay.
She used to do stunts and stuff like that with it.
Nice, nice.
Betsy Coleman.
Awesome.
Kind of cool.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, I appreciate the story.
Yeah. Y'all check out this ambulance. Old school. Old school Jack.
I'm not interested in the story.
Right. You see why you choose we for interested in that after everybody with their own way? Right. White Cliffs of Dover. One of the most recognizable landmarks in England. Okay. First of all, I saw Dover and thought Delaware. Tilly, rotted. They're not today. Oh yeah. Even though it's more flexible, it's better than for with jacket. Me we say that. Tuwayne, go for? For Tilly. Alright. You already. Excuse me, Tilly. Okay. So there y'all go. And when them call it again, swastika, whatever them call it, you don't know where that be. Yeah. Y'all know that's the sign of Hitler right there. Yep, there y'all go, the Nazis. That's what I was trying to think of. Yeah. So these are just artifacts from the war. Grasshoppers at war. Oh, Tuwayne, who hear that? Rotted. So he team and show the man all this time. Alright, y'all. Brigadier General Leon C. Packer. That's his uniform right there. What was his uniform? Nice. But do y'all see how far we've come when it comes to the pilot uniform? Wow.
Hey, Tilly. Okay, remember.
Tilly, click one of them. Yeah, look at that.
Packer believed in freedom, and he also knew that it came with a price. On the day he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross for the role he played in the August 1943 air raids of Ploesti, he recorded in his journal, "It's too bad that the many fellows who really earned the medals weren't there to receive them."
Hey, Mama. That was great. Can I press one?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, God. I will need her button, sir. Let's see if we find our next one. Then we go for ask with them people that we saw there, you know? Aircraft mechanics right there. That's how they used to roll, you know what I'm saying? Handkerchief on the head, all that good stuff. And I definitely don't know nothing about that. I just said that just because. World War II on the home front. I'll find you one. The one that sound like I have play yet. Or is still a player? Who, TJ? Me no want to say this in a video, but me I go say it. I know me no hear what we are eat for dinner yet. Go ahead, say it. No. So this is the TJ. It's your time to press. This is the P-38 original equipment, original propeller and 50 cal machine gun recovered from the Plains, Alaska crash site in 1993. So there y'all go. I guess this is the P-38. flown by First Lieutenant Arthur Kidder, and I guess the co-pilot, I assume. Oh, no, that don't make no sense because that's a sergeant. Sergeant Alfred A. Hall. I don't know what he did. Maybe like a crew chief. Oh yeah, duh, CC. Crew chief, Sergeant Alfred Hall. How will it, man?
Oh, hey, Mama.
Yeah? Them park Lee at the Seagate one time. Lee say about 6 mile Lee walk.
I'll hold it.
Yeah.
I'll hold it.
Yeah.
I'll hold it. Okay.
But you're blocking the camera.
Okay.
Give me the cat boy so you can hold it.
Okay. I'll put the Cowboys in my pocket. Okay, so this is Tilly, the top trender. So Tilly's the only one to be top trenders. Okay, so this is the rocket plane. So
Rocket plane?
so this is Tilly. So
Alright, give me the phone now.
Mama,
You did a great job. Okay, tell them what plane this is. Here, TJ, it fell out your pocket. Tell them what plane this is, TJ.
Mama.
It's the FW777. Damn rink. Yep. Me a turn on a different way. Me can't manage a lift up here now. You don't want to bomb for care home, Rochelle? Why if none of them will still go off? You can't trust humans, you know? That's all your fault. So you know hear about this sitting there, some people they go camping and one missile go off from one war. Years it bury. It never activate the first time, I guess. And them just did they go camping and it go off. Now tell me say that salt. That is salt because all of them years they know which part them people that they go off.
They have won.
Okay, Lieutenant Colonel J. Hess, one next sexy man if you know I know. Him well at. Happy how sexy man you see in the military, you know? God. Shirt and sandal worn by POW J. Hess while held captive in North Vietnam. Oh, he was. Okay. Oh, Captain Lance Peter Saigon. If you're military, then you know about the Saigon Awards. Here we have the dog tags of all of Utah's fallen. It's quite a bit, if you can see. Yeah. Look at saying here we are shot to him. Okay, Vietnam War Roll of Honor Utahns who sacrificed all for their country. There you go. All of these people are people who served the military from Utah, never made it home. That's quite a long list. May they all rest in peace. Put him on your back. It'll be easier. Alright. Right here we got Lieutenant Colonel Sherelle G. Martin. Hopefully I said that right. Magna, Utah. Special operations. Okay. Boy, let me tell you something. No. I have two different smarty cards and two face then a match a backside. Cause it don't make
You like that one for me? Yeah, I like that one. That one's pretty good.
helicopters. Y'all wanna know something? I never been this close to a helicopter before.
Yes, and then I'm gonna drive this one. So that one's good for me, Mom.
Ted, you tell them.
So
Yeah,
Tilly is gonna be joining me and Mom and TJ, and we're coming in this one flying.
And you're
out.
going to fly the helicopter?
Yes.
And you're
then-
gonna carry me and Tilly?
Yes, and then rush down to land.
Okay.
And I'll carry that carrier, and I don't want it to fall down.
Okay.
And so I need some tool to fix it.
Alright.
So
That's
and I'm
it?
done.
Okay.
This is a fan top. Look, the top fan top.
TJ, who you pine pan?
It's a top fan top. So
Oh, who you pine pan?
top top.
Don't pine pan nobody and say that. Why pick me so rotten?
Okay, so right
Listen, right, that big stink. Because she here when we are brothers, have been nice to the picnic. She gonna like say want her picnic.
that's from.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
What she said?
Okay, so this is the gun smoke.
She not say nothing but we did the attack and it's like just ignore it. That frowns itself. Alright, yeah, so we do hold on.
What are we just
Alright, so probably just because they want one display.
Have a small
So if
size
y'all
of
ever seen the air show, the Air Force air show, you know you got the Thunderbirds. This one of their planes right here,
So
Yeah.
then we have so.
flown by Major Bob Fleer.
This is I'm just trying to go.
Okay, and TJ's talking to you guys. TJ, look on the floor. About the flat your fat.
I use a flat tires and it doesn't kill it.
Me say, me a push out a little bit, you know?
And then
But TJ, the phone is right here. Come talk to them about this one.
I'm gonna tell them something important. The gun smells like it.
Okay.
And the new. And
Okay.
new rockets.
Which one are you talking about?
So in this, I was trying to use the gun in this Air Force thing.
Okay. Afghanistan.
This weird looking ones are B1.
Are the B1 them that? Them load?
Yes, and then Mama's doing this gun, and so in the Peloton, it got very sorry. So, and it got swings and robots help. So his name is Wings Drag. So it means wings. They're like tough.
Alright, so no come.
And so
Cause Tilly over in here, so no come. Come. Hold on, honey. Wait, no, hold on, honey. Me say, if Tilly ever think me, I pick him up in here today. Wait, no, let me show you something now. Come, Papa. Is that big old plane this one? It look little. Boy wing heleba. We have 5 minutes left. Good body, Rochelle. On the camera right there. So.
this is Tiger Stripes. He's a monster machine, like a monster truck. So he really bounces back.
Okay. Y'all get an up top view of all the airplanes in here. Yeah, we don't deal with bottom, it's just up top. Then you're not going to the Rochelle? May I stop you? I just saw this thing. And let me show y'all. Freeze dried ice cream sandwich, space food. So pretty much it's a wafer now. Ain't that crazy? Eh? So this ice cream that we always eat, they turned it into a... These are all the planes that they have outside.
Yeah, you wanna walk?
Hey, twin. Hey, the one to walk.
This a boy does not respect nobody though. It's Uncle Tuwayne.
Twin.
Mad picnic this year.
Oh, it's a B1 kid. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh yeah, B1 Lancer.
Mama, look at that plane.
Yeah.
Yeah, that plane is good. Whoa, look at that car.
It's a go-kart.
Yeah, and that's a
Wait,
water
name?
car.
Maybe condom.
Condom plane.
Yeah,
Hey, twin.
because the name Trojan.
You know, me never look for the name though.
That's a water car.
Okay, so y'all heard it. This is the Navy condom plane, Trojan. Go-kart.
Huh? You don't know the TJ?
That's a Tuwayne.
No.
Tuwayne out of breath.
Yo, outside.
Now, if I didn't say it before, these are all the display planes outside of the museum. Okay? I've been on one of these before. There. Wait. Can't see it too far. But oh, it's gone. Oh, right there, right there. F-16s. Loud like nobody's business. TJ. I'm getting flung.
Not clutch.
Me know say I know you just a clutch. Well guys, so right here we have Park City Outlet in Utah. Now we have Brooks Brothers, Mamut, whatever that is, never been there. Under Armour. Okay, so here we have just about everything. There's Polo Ralph Lauren over there, Bath and Body Works, and then keep looking. You got Coach. Just about everything, and it goes all the way around and more. J. Crew, Lucky Brand. Ain't that just the cutest thing ever? No, I'm just recording Carter's, you know? What turns? Wow. Anak kino titit. Oh, these actually.
Wow, TJ look hot.
Okay, not clearance that. Over here.
Yeah, you can go towards. Do you want Batman for TJ?
Yeah.
Here, this is Batman.
Oh, okay. Let me like it.
You sure you want Batman?
Yeah. Okay, I like this one.
You love everyone.
Make up your mind.
I like it. Please, I like the airplane.
Do you Halloween?
And
Wait, no. I have to pay for. I have to pay for it first, okay?
okay.
I just saw this thing. And I'm gonna show y'all. Freeze dried ice cream sandwich, space food. So pretty much it's a wafer now. Ain't that crazy? Eh? So this ice cream that we always eat, they turned it into a
That's like that.
Yes, Nick.
Huh?
What's the runaway around?
if truck a run off a road.
Kind of bricks.
Dragon.
I'm trying to get it for you. But me not seeing it. Oh, let me see it.
Okay. Guys, look at this one.
Okay.
Guys. Okay, guys.
How you doing? Me no know. Oh wow, yes. Come.
week.
Everything. I want to look at one sweet sauce bunny.
Pig and a jelly jar.
Okay.
Yeah, work for you know. Hmm? Mm-hmm.
Stella, get your name, girl.
What? Ah, Stella Bella. Yeah. Hmm? TJ. Watch out, watch out. Me can't. Child slavery. Get out and live.
Okay, guys, let's go on the playground.
Okay, stay on this side though.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, number 12.
This way. Let me show you.
Purple rain.
Okay, guys, we'll see you though, TV channel. Oh, see you later. It's only not too bad. You see my TV channel? Right now.
TJ, why you talk about Thomas in my video?
Where'd Daddy go?
bucket. Where in the world? I let them off the TJ and me drop them. I've got TJ not feeding right. TJ, you have to give someone else. Hey.
Oh, that's cute.
Hello. That feels so funny. When the one of them come and start by the funny. It's okay, it's okay. You know one thing, let's see.
Alright, y'all, so we are at Hook and Reel in Layton, Utah, okay? It's a seafood spot. So I'm gonna show y'all my seafood boil. It's half a pound of shrimp, yeah, and sausage, corn, potatoes. And I'm about to try mussels for the first time. Not me not putting that on it. There you go. Over here, TJ got some chicken and fries. May have mussels for try, man. We got chicken po' boy right there. Hold on. Chicken sliders right there with fries. And over here, got another seafood boil. We got crab, mussels, shrimp. There. Yeah, here. TJ.
Huh?
Too big? Oh.
Why you don't like the mussel?
No, why you not motor?
You like I feel your mouth?
Them rubber is something there. You don't want that a box?
Nah. Maybe I first taste, man, kind of off, you know?
Rochelle, good morning, son, my child.
You know the money up something?
Rochelle, get me.
Oh, you know, oh.
Don't take it.
But you know, Father, viewers, you're about to witness something amazing.
Just see me like I first time.
Robbery?
Yeah, you're a berry man.
Why?
No wonder.
I'm gonna get shark this.
Okay, we'll eat.
Oh, right, dude. You have to put some music over this. Over video. Because sounds sweet up in the background.
Oh, good one. Yeah, eat.
Yeah, man. At the time when it's hot.
Oh.
Watching you eat more entertaining.
I sausage, I love you know. Every woman loves sausage, right? Well,
I'm happy you're eating though.
You enjoying it?
Yeah.
You like yours?
Mama,
Yours looking up?
you want like this or do you want a shirt?
You gonna buy me a shirt? Okay. Them can go on. Them better than the place where they go before.
Which one?
Yeah. Remember I wanted me to say shrimp, you eat the shrimp and just mash out no more? Shrimp was really overcooked. No, sir. I mean, if you call them and I make me also, then you get some of my potato them.
Right, the small?
Two them put in there.
What's your come to you know? You can tell her.
Yeah, what paper?
Oh, just in time. She said she's missing some potatoes.
He's like, we're gonna need more of those.
Yeah, she love it.
It's
Potatoes
good.
are good.
It's good. Hopefully you want to put 2 more.
Make it 4, eh? Your mouth? Take them through.
He's gonna get his
Sausage.
Hey, Daddy, can you help me pick it up?
Pick up what? Hey, listen, you got it, man.
Bobby, guns.
And I've been teaching her to be independent. Not dependent on anyone.
Stop what you're doing. You have to hold it.
Please hold it.
Pick that one. You eat that one.
Daddy, I can hold it.
No. Just share it.
Oh, how would you pick it up? Might have to cut it in half.
Hold it.
And draw to sit it on top.
What's up?
The plastic thing we are holding together.
Oh. Well, problem is if my people draw it down, they'll fall apart.
Once you get close to it then. What do you think? I'm just going Cajun. I'm glad I listened.
I would recommend this to you.
Lee.
Oh.
You gonna eat the fries?
Yeah.
Can I have one of the fries?
Mommy.
Nice. Do you do?
Yummy.
Hmm? Can I have one of the fries?
So we can literally see muscle in your head and move up while you eat.
Hmm?
You can literally see muscle in your head and move while you eat. It's hot.
You want unstoppable?
You eat it like you eat Jamaican
And
patty.
my daddy you come from? From a Muslim I hit side every day I cuss out.
So you have to eat the fries like you eat Jamaican beef patty.
Can you imagine? Mommy have so many options. I'm going to choose man with big head. And me so enough me go take the big head.
Ah.
It's spicy hot man.
No, I said nothing when you get mild. Still have a spice. But when I get them.
We're going to campfire? Okay.
I love the campfire.
You too?
You too, Tilly? Yeah. And when too?
Mm-hmm. You bring them in?
Are you going to turn?
Yes.
Who else you bringing? Well, besides TJ, who else?
Mama, that's it. That's it.
Okay.
How about your nana? You're not bringing your nana?
TJ, you have to eat. Is it hot? Okay. Make a little fine bite them. So I take a big bite of it. Till you take a big bite, and they come like they bite them now go nowhere.
Right?
Them play nice music though.
Daddy, what is that?
It's a fish.
Hey, twin. I like that. What is that?
Hmm?
What is that?
Like, you like shark Disney shirt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really nice though.
Yeah, very nice. You're not happy for nothing.
You want more juice?
Mama, I want to go this one.
One more of our roast.
Get the crab stem.
Is it right? So should I go here? Okay.
No, sir.
I don't want what you say.
The woman must say, South Africa, them crave me. Me have to make it on potato. Around here.
Yes, I don't want this.
Like she gone to boss man, and say, oh, then get them paper. No more potato in there.
Let them go on, man. But never want to come from base. Right, now people chew potato, what to do with that?
It's killing the food.
They are fried.
She's in love. You know eating a crab leg, Gideon?
One of the small one in front of Jamaica.
Oh, you know what it? You gotta finish eating, so she wanna wash her hands and go to the bathroom right now.
Wash yourself and go to the bathroom right now.
Be quiet. I'll wash my hands when I'm finished.
Hey, leave me for another one.
Hey.
You know what I'm gonna do? Speed up the video with all of them songs. Yeah. Trick the system a little bit. You know you can do that?
Speed up it. Okay, yeah.
Speed your part, slow it down.
Yeah.
And you not get
But yeah, lose sitting there. Watch time, but
if you slow it down,
if you speed it up,
if you speed it up, it all get
less.
cut down.
Yeah.
Spicy to backside. Spicy.
Hey boy, eat. You enjoy your food?
Eat now?
Yeah.
Vibes kitchen at the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.